Good morning, class. It's Mrs. K. Hall here this morning on this wonderful Thursday. Let's get started with our number corner. Here we are at our calendar grid. Today is Thursday, March 26th, 2020. Let's check and see what today is going to be. Now, what I'm noticing is right after a digital, I notice there's a red clock. I wonder if today is going to be a red clock. Let's check. It is a red clock. And this shows us 4:30. All right, yesterday we had 4 o'clock and today we have 4:30. Let's go to our clock to see how much time has passed. So yesterday we had 4 o'clock. Let's see how much time passed when we get to 4:30. Count by fives with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes has passed from 4 o'clock to 4:30. Let's log that in our calendar grid observations. Yesterday we had a digital clock and today it is an analog clock. It shows us 4:30. And from 4 o'clock to 4:30 we said that it was 1/2 hour, which also equals 30 minutes. Let's head over to our pennies, nickels, and dimes to see how much we can collect today. Let's spin, spin, spin away to see what we can get today. Ooh, we got 2 nickels. 1 nickel, 2 nickels. Perfect. We know that a nickel equals 5 cents. Here's our poem for today. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Just a refresher of our dime. Dime, 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 little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Skipping ahead to the pennies. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown, and worth 1 cent. Here we are again. We know that those equal 5 cents. So let's get this over here so we can type it in. 5 plus 5 equals, let's count by fives. Ready? 5, 10. We know that that equals 10. Let's make it orange for today. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Yesterday was 7 and today is 10. 10 is greater than 7. Here we are as a refresher for what our homework is for today. Today is March 26th, 2020. 20 minutes of reading on your own. Please read with a partner, parent, sibling, someone else in your home. You can even read to a pet for 15 minutes. There is no writing for today. And please work on page 79 of your packet. Here is page 79 of your packet. Just wanted to give a little reminder of what these mean. Excuse me. If you remember our orange and white quilts that we made in class, where you got to make different blocks and put them together. These are exactly like that, except they're gray and white this time. So we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gray, which this is where the 5 comes from. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 white, and that's where this 4 comes from. So what they did is they took how many in total? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in total. They subtracted how many gray and found out how many white there are. You can make addition or subtraction equations for each one. So for this one, you could technically do 5 plus 4 equals 9, but they decided to do a subtraction. Remember when you do a subtraction equation that the largest number always comes first. That's what all 6 of these are. And these are going to look familiar from yesterday. Just review of these. Addition on the top, subtraction on the bottom. Just a reminder that this is the writing paper attached here. If you have accessibility to a printer, feel free to print off these pages to make a booklet. If not, just use notebook paper. That works just as great. Back to our schedule for today. we are going to be working on sight words again. I am going to upload the next set of sight words. Now, I know that the Google form did not work very well, so please just comment the 5 to 10 words that you had tricky time with. If you only had difficult time recognizing maybe 2 words, just write those 2 words down. And if you got all of them, you just have to say, I got all of them. But if there are words that you're still struggling on, that's okay. We are learning. Just please comment those words. You can send it in a private comment or just under the link. So I will upload that for you guys today. Hope you all have a wonderful Thursday and stay healthy. Make sure you're washing those hands and have a great Thursday. Bye, guys.